Hello everyone. I know it's been a little while since I've done an actual video of Dishing with Dana other than my written interviews that I've been doing with some really amazing people you may have seen out here lately. But I wanted to talk about the topic of networking. Networking seems to come very easy to some people and very hard for others. And one recent thought that I've had lately, especially coming up in the next 7 weeks, is the With It Educational Conference. It's called the Art and Science of Leadership, which I'm really looking forward to because it has a lot of networking possibilities, not just for personal growth, but for professional growth. But I also want you to take a step outside of that and think about how networking also benefits the other person, not just something seeking out to network to better yourself or to gain, have a personal gain. I think sometimes we can network with other people and it be a personal gain that they get from us, and that can also be looked at as a rewarding thing that we get from being able to help someone else succeed in their level of professional where they're trying to grow, or if there's something personal that they're dealing with that you may have also experienced and you can share that with them. So I want you to really think and dive deep in the next 7 weeks as you prepare to go to the leadership conference or to your own conference that you go to next time, with whatever industry that you're in, or if it's a market or something like that, or call a friend up and have a coffee and hear their story and see if that networking and nurturing that relationship somewhere locally in your area, maybe outside your industry, because sometimes we can learn from those outside of our industry as well, kind of get a different perspective on it, and really try to expand. Just expansion. Expand your network, expand your thought process on how networking works, and really get out there and see what benefit that you can help someone else, not just your personal gain from networking. And I look forward to hearing any feedback you might have on that, or any tips you might have on networking. So networking does come easy for some people, and then others not so easy. I myself, if you know me, I can pretty much talk to a pole on a bus, and I can talk to anybody about anything, and that's what makes social media so easy for me, and for the others it doesn't. So share your tips if you want to on how networking, or even an experience that you have come across that networking was beneficial to you. Thanks a lot, and I look forward to hearing from each and every one of you.